welcome back to my channel. Today I am unboxing the Row Soft Loafer in eel skin. So the package arrived like about a week ago and I've just been waiting to unbox it for you guys. So the shipment came in it only took about like a week and a half for it to arrive after I submitted my order online. Originally, I wanted to go visit in store just to try on and see how my sizing was true or not, if I should size up or size down. I was reading online and I got some recommendations that maybe size down one full size or a half size, and I actually went just a half size down. Normally, European sizing, I am a size 42, but I went with the 41 and a half, and I was very lucky that they had the 41 and a half in my size. Now in store, the closest Row I have near me is in LA. And so me and my friend, we went there just to go check it out. She went to Go Yard and then I went to the Row. She left with the bag. I left without my shoes. They didn't have anything in stock, unfortunately, so I just went to go try on some similar loafers. I think I tried on the canal loafers. I'll pop a picture here. They were really comfy. They were like in this beautiful dark brown leather, really soft. So after I saw those, I got my sizing and then I just went for it online. So the packaging is really simple. It's just white tissue paper, and then it came with a little card. It says the Row on here, please handle with care. In the event of a return, all items must be in their original condition. So I've just been really careful with unboxing this. I've opened it already just to make sure everything came okay and it wasn't damaged. This is the envelope with a return slip and just details of my purchase. So if you didn't know, the Row is actually a clothing brand owned by Mary-Kate and Ashley Olsen. Yeah, I am very much into this packaging. Now, if you haven't bought anything designer before, normally products, even shoes sometimes, comes with dust bags. I really love this one, especially just because it's one big dust bag, but there is like a perforation down the middle, and it's sewn to keep the shoes separate from coming into contact with one another. Now these shoes were, I believe, $1,300, or I think the regular soft loafers that aren't in the eel skin, they come in like regular calf skin. They are like around $1,200 or $1,260. These came in really great condition. I don't see any flaws with any of the stitching, but I love the color and craftsmanship and really trying this on. Sorry, there's like a little stitching here. I just noticed it now, but honestly, when I'm wearing it, it's not that big of a deal. When I wore this, it was so soft. So I really get the hype with the Row. I got these in the black eel skin and size 41.5, and I love it so much. It smells great fresh out of the box. So this is the right side. Let me show you the left side too. Comes with a plethora of stuffing. It actually came with like so much stuffing that I just used it in some of my other dust bags, honestly. This is the left side, and these are the shoes together. Here. I'll take some shots of these, some close-ups later, but I love them so much. Now, they don't have that much of a height in the heel, but it's very solid, so I will be supported, and it's more of like a flat, low to the ground type of loafer. I have the Prada chunky loafers, but I really wanted more of a classic Benji, come on, relax. Where was I? I have the chunky heel loafer, the lug loafers from Prada. I'll post a picture here. And I was just feeling like I didn't really have like a classy dress shoe type loafer that I could just wear with anything. So this is basically filling that void in my closet, and I'm so happy. I really love the loafers from the Row, and I think I might add some more later on. Clothing wise, it's a little expensive, out of my reach. I haven't found anything that I really loved, but the clothing in store did feel amazing. So just know that if you are paying for like the brand, you are also paying for good quality materials that they have sourced at the Row. Actually, let me try these on really fast because it's been a minute. Shoehorn. Okay. I will say, if you don't have a shoehorn, you should definitely get one for your shoes. Ta-da! Yay! Oh, they're so cute. So I am 5'6" or 5'7". These are what the loafers look like on me. Yeah. Is he? Yes. So cute. Yay. So these are how the loafers look. They look great. You can wear them with socks or not, but they look very, very nice. They will just add a bit of elegance to any outfit you're wearing. And yeah, I love them so much.